I would like to take Islamic books 200.
Islamic books for 200. This is the Sharh of Sahih Bukhari by Ibn Hajar Asqalani.
It is Sahih Bukhari.
No, this is the Sharh of Sahih Bukhari, written by Ibn Hajar. He made the Sharh of Sahih Bukhari. There's a book he made explanation of.
It is the explanation of the prophetic tradition.
Okay, unfortunately that's not the correct answer. Brother Hassan.
I think, please.
Hassan.
Actually, I would like to pass.
Okay, you like to pass?
Yeah. Perhaps it's Fathul Bari.
Fathul Bari. Very good, mashallah. What is Fathul Bari? And this was written by Ibn Hajar Asqalani to make the sharh or explanation of Sahih Bukhari. Very good.